Students, Namaste. How are you? Namaste, Kana. Namaste, good morning. Today we are going to see the lesson 6th standard physics, unit 2 electricity. Yes, unit 2 electricity. Yes, what is electricity? What is the use? We use so many purpose this electricity. Yes, day to day life we are using electricity. Yes, how does this electricity work? We can imagine a day without electricity. Without electricity we can live? Yes, it is possible. Nowadays not possible. In olden days it is possible. Yes, so if you ask your grandpa, grandma, how that olden days they without electricity, how they are survive their life. Yes, that things you ask, they give a super experience. Yes, sources of electricity. We cannot live without electricity nowadays, but in olden days it is possible, but we will use this electricity in a good way. Okay, so sources of electricity, where we are getting the electricity, they are, do you know electricity where we are getting? Yes, thermal power station, hydel power station. Very good, very good. Thermal power station, hydel power station, then atomic power station. Yes, nuclear power station. These things we are getting electricity. Okay, any device from which electricity is produced is called source of electricity. Any device, okay, any device from which electricity is produced is called source of electricity. Yes, source of electricity is thermal power station, then hydel power station, atomic power station, then windmill also. Nowadays from wind also we can produce electricity. Yes, okay, Kana. Next topic we are going to see the cell. Yes, next topic cell. We are going to see the cell. This is also one device. It converts chemical energy into electric energy. That is called cell. Yes. So cells are two types. Cells are two types. One is primary cell. Second one is secondary cell. Primary cell, secondary cell. Primary cells, they cannot be recharged. Primary cells cannot be recharged. So they can use only once. Hence the primary cells are produced in small size. Yes. Examples, cells used in clocks, watches and toys are primary cells. Primary cells are not recharged. That is use and throw cells. Okay, that is in small size also. Yes, we are using a TV remote. In that TV remote also the battery, that cell is very very small. Okay, that things once we used, after we are throwing. But cell phone, yes, daily we are charging. Okay, cell phone battery. Okay, in that cell phone we are using not a cell, that is battery. Okay, yes, in that things chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Chemical energy is changed into electrical energy, that is cell. Yes, cells are two types. One is primary cell and another one secondary cell. Primary cells are not recharged, but secondary cells are recharged. Often and often we can use again and again. Yes, examples for mobile phone, then emergency lamp, vehicle batteries. These things we can recharge and we use. So that cells are called secondary cells. That cells are called secondary cells. Next, another one thing is battery. What is that? Battery. Can I see the picture? In this picture, yes, in this picture, what are the pictures are here? Yes, yes, watch, wristwatch, car, then TV remote, yes, cell phone, then emergency lamp. These things here, what are the things we can recharge? TV remote? No. Then this lamp? Yes, we can recharge. The cell phone? We can recharge. Okay, recharged items are in that cell is secondary cell. Then once we use and we cannot recharge it, that is called primary cell. That is called primary cell. Yes. Next, another one thing, battery. Another one thing is battery. Okay, in that battery, a cell is a single unit. A cell is a single unit. This one is single unit. Cell is a single unit, but battery is a connection. 2 or 3 cells are connected in a series. That is called battery. Battery is a collection of cells. Battery is a collection of cells. Yes, this one cell is single unit. This battery is collection of cells. Yes. Minus, plus, then again minus, plus, like that. It is a collection of cells. Minus, plus. Okay. So, where plus and minus symbol. What is the minus and the plus symbol? Anytime the current is flows minus to plus to minus. So, plus plus terminal minus terminal current flow. Okay, so electric circuit. Next, another one thing is electric circuit. Next, another one thing is electric circuit. See, Kanna, here electric circuit is there. Yes, here. See that picture. Yes, here plus end, minus end, these all the things are there. This one is electric circuit. What is that? Electric circuit. An electric circuit is the continuous or unbroken closed path along with the electric charges flows. That is, electric current is closed. Yes, as positive terminal to the negative terminal. Positive terminal to negative terminal. Positive to negative. Positive to negative. Yes, then again this positive to negative. Okay, in that electric circuit, a cell or battery, a cell or battery, a source of electric current. Yes, in this here cell we are using, that is a source of electric current. Okay, then next one is connecting wires. Next one is for carrying current. A connecting wires. Okay, connecting wires are carrying current. And then a bulb. Next one is bulb. A device that consumes the electricity. Yes, we are switch on the light. That time electricity is flows through the wire. That current is consumed. Which one is using? The bulb, glowing bulb. That is consume the electric current. Okay, so here open circuit also there. Open circuit we will use this switch. Then closed circuit also we are using the switch. Okay, both things we are using. Yes. Yeah, circuit is 2 types. Electric circuit is 2 types. One is open circuit and another one is closed circuit. There are 2 types. two types of electric circuit. One is open and another one is closed circuit. In a circuit, the key is closed. On condition, the electricity will flow and the circuit is called closed circuit. The bulb will glow in this circuit. Yes. Then types of circuits. Then types of circuit. Simple circuit. Simple circuit. Series circuit. Then parallel circuit. So, three types of circuits. How many types? Three types of circuits. So, three types of circuit. One is simple circuit, then series circuit, then parallel circuit. Totally three types of circuits. In that simple circuit, a circuit consisting a cell, a key, bulb and connecting wires is called simple circuit. Now I draw the simple circuit diagram. Yes, this one simple circuit. This one is called simple circuit. This one bulb glowing. Yes, see this diagram. This is a simple circuit. What is this? Simple circuit. Okay, in this simple circuit, a circuit consisting a cell and a wire and a bulb. This is a simple circuit. Yes, bulb is glowing here. Yes, this passive end to negative end current is flowing. So the bulb this time glowing. So this one is simple circuit. Next another one is series circuit. Second one is series circuit. Here, two or more bulbs are connected. In a simple circuit, only one bulb is connected. In this series circuit, more than two bulbs. 2 bulb, 3 bulb, 4 bulb, sometimes 10 bulb also we will connect in that circuit. Yes, 2 or more bulbs are connected in the series circuit. Then the type of circuit is called series circuit. Yes, 2 or more. If one of the bulb is damaged or disconnected, then the entire circuit will not work. Yes, this is the one drawback. In this series circuit, only any one bulb will repair or damage, but whole of the circuit not work. That is the only one drawback in the series circuit. Okay. Next another one is parallel circuit. Next another one is parallel. Yes, here. Then another one is parallel. Yes, parallel circuit. Another one, third type is parallel circuit. In this parallel circuit also, two or more bulbs we are connected in the parallel. So in this circuit, any one bulb is repaired or damaged, the whole system not disturbed. If any bulb, which one is not function, that things we will afterwards we exchange that one. Other bulbs will glow. Yes, this one is in the parallel connection. This is the one plus point. Yes. Okay, in our home also we are using the parallel circuit. நம்ம வீட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணுறது எல்லாமே என்னது parallel circuit. அதனால் எங்கேயாவது ஒரு பல்பு ரிப்பேர் ஆனதுனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அதை மட்டும் டிஸ்கனெக்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு நம்ம அதர் திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இன் திஸ் circuit, three types. One is simple circuit, second one series circuit, third one parallel circuit. Okay, so we are using the electricity like this. Yes, here components and symbols of electric. Yes, here battery, cell, battery, switch. Yes, then flow of current. All the things are here there. Yes, see this electric cell. In this electric cell, only one positive and one negative. A single unit. Cell is a single unit, but battery is a collection of cells. That is plus minus is continuously going. Then switch, open switch, then closed switch. Yes, electric bulb. Then here bulb is glowing, here bulb is off. That symbols are. Yes, see in this picture. Yes, see Kanna. This is the components, electric components. Yes, these are the figures, then these are the symbols. Yes, yes, in the symbols are we are using the circuit. Yes, this one cell, here this one bulb, here this lines are wire. Yes, in this wire the charge is flowing. Okay, okay Kanna. So today homework is you have to draw the simple circuit, series circuit, parallel circuit. Draw the diagram of circuit. Homework. Draw the diagram of types of circuits. Then book reading also you can do it. Book reading plus the types of circuits. Thank you.